Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 7, Lesson 54. A pronoun has to match the word it stands for. Today, pronoun antecedent agreement in number and gender, plus collective nouns. Now, pronoun antecedent agreement. The antecedent is the word a pronoun refers to or replaces. The rule: a pronoun must match its antecedent in two ways, number and gender. Naomi found her keys. Her refers back to Naomi, the antecedent. Naomi is singular and feminine, so the pronoun is singular and feminine too, her. Match the antecedent in number, singular or plural, and in gender. Let's see number and gender in action. The Riveras repainted their porch. Riveras is plural, so the pronoun is plural, their. The fox guarded its den. A fox is singular and, as an animal, neuter, so its. One practical note: when a singular antecedent's gender is unknown, you can write his or her, or simply reword the sentence to make the antecedent plural, which avoids the issue. When the antecedent is a collective noun, like committee or team, use the same logic as before. If the group acts as one unit, use a singular pronoun. The committee gave its report, one unit, so its. But if the members act individually, use a plural pronoun. The committee cast their separate votes. Separate votes mean individual members, so their. One unit takes its. Many members take their. So, 3 quick steps. 1. Find the antecedent, the word the pronoun stands for. 2. Match it in number, singular with singular, plural with plural. 3. Match it in gender, he, she, or it. And if the antecedent is a collective noun, one unit takes its, separate members take their. Find the antecedent, then match. Let's practice. Find the antecedent, then choose the pronoun that matches in number and gender. Pause and try each. The Carmonas all have blank mother's eyes. Carmonas is plural, so their. So their. When Muriel graduates, another of the girls will take blank place. The antecedent another is singular, so her. So her. The emergency squad offers blank services to all in need. The squad acts as one unit, so the singular, its. So its. Now decide whether the pronoun in capitals agrees with its antecedent. Pause and try each. The musicians performed his program. Musicians is plural, so it needs their, not his. So it's wrong. Albert and Teresa featured a rabbit in their science project. The antecedent Albert and Teresa is plural, so their is correct. So it's correct. Bill organized its schedule. Bill is singular and masculine, so it needs his, not its. So it's wrong. Let's wrap up. A pronoun must agree with its antecedent in number, singular or plural, and in gender, masculine, feminine, or neuter. Naomi found her keys. The Riveras repainted their porch. When a singular antecedent's gender is unknown, use his or her, or make the antecedent plural. And for a collective noun, use its when the group acts as one, their when the members act separately. Find the antecedent, then match. Great work. In Lesson 55, we'll fix agreement in person, those sudden shifts to you.